Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tax Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to actually create a Amazon affiliate link to start earning money with Amazon referrals. Now it's very easy. First off, go to Amazon Associates on Google and open up the first link, the Associates Central. Now from there it will open up the official Amazon Associates website, and here you can sign up. Now simply sign into your Amazon account. I'll be right back with you. Now once you've signed in, you need to fill out your account information. I'm going to keep that private. Now here you go to the website and mobile app list. Now let's say you want to promote your links through your Instagram account or your YouTube channel. Simply paste the URL right here, press add, and that should be it. Now in the next step you need to create a profile listing what content you're creating and what the following describes about your content and so on. Now from the last option you can start using the Associates Central and you can enter a payment and tax information, but we're going to do that later. Now from here you'll get to the Amazon Associates website, and here you see all the tools. Now the site Stripe is the thing that we need, but first off let's go to Amazon.com. Because on Amazon.com we'll find anything we can promote. Now let's say you want to promote a PC. Now simply open up your Amazon store and hop on and find a product you wish to promote. Now let's say we want this Philips monitor, this one right here, and what we will do next is look for the site Stripe right here, as you can see. Now here you can see your earnings. Let's open it up real quick. And inside of here you see a load of other options. We'll wait till the earnings pop up, and the most important part of getting a link is simply by going down, pressing right here, and this will open up the link to this page. And as you can see, you can use the short link or the full link. We're going to use the short link, and from there we can copy it, and this will automatically work when anyone clicks that link and buys the product right from the Amazon page. You will get a percentage of the product in your earnings right here. Now here you see the commissions, and here you see the summary, and here you can see your payment history and everything you need to know. You can also see the percentage of the item that you've sold. Now let's say you've just sold this item and you'll get a percentage. What will happen is Amazon will actually have a summary of all the payments, and from there pay you out once in a while. Now here are a load of tools to use. The site Stripe is the most important one, as you can see, and that should be about it. If you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, or if this video has helped you, please leave it in the little comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.